The first time in my life I ever tried to use a gimbal, it was for a smartphone. Basically, you put your smartphone and you turn it on and you start to move around and that's it. But when I tried to use, first time in my life, a gimbal for the camera, I understand the process is different because you have to balance your camera and the lens on the gimbal and the axis, and there's a buttons and there's a lot of going on. And believe me, the first time I tried this process, I got really so sad and frustrated. And at some moment, really, I thought that I don't want to use any gimbal because it's too hard and it's too complicated. But then when I start to try and I start to learn more, and with the time and really like a little bit of time, I got used to it and I start to enjoy it. So in this video, actually, I want to show you that it's not scary if you feel scary of it. And it's not difficult because it just needs the time, and I want to share my experience, so let's go. So I have the Sony 6100 and I attached with it my Viltrox 9mm, and it's not super heavy set. Okay, so let's try in our example to balance this set together on my RS4 Mini gimbal. So the first piece that we're gonna sit it or connect it to the camera is this one, and we're gonna put it like this, and we're gonna turn this metal screw until, you see, I put this, put here, it will not rotate, and I rotate this screw until it's strong, and I close it right, or I can close it left. Okay, see, this is the base that will be connected to the gimbal. And the second one is you're gonna have to remove the camera cover directly before you start balancing and calibrating your camera on the gimbal, because this has to be exactly the weight, and the screen position also have to be already adjusted before you start calibrating and balancing. This is very important. Okay, so my camera, basically I will put my screen like that, I removed my cover, and the next I'm gonna attach my camera to my gimbal. So when I do this, I'm gonna put my gimbal in the same way that I'm gonna use it. Okay, I'm gonna remove this arm so it will be more visible. So the screen is this side, okay, and the gimbal is this side. Okay, so let's see how we start. The first is we have to connect the camera on this place, on this area. So in order to do this, we're gonna have to open this side. This is normally closed, we have to open it, and I'm gonna bring my camera, as you can see. I'm gonna bring my camera from here, okay, and I heard click. When you hear click, it's mean it's going on the right place. And as you can see, it's moving a little bit because I didn't close yet. So I'm gonna take this small arm again and I'm gonna close it, and now it's more stable. Okay, so now the camera on the place. So here we go. Let's start to calibrate and balance our camera. So the first is I'm gonna open this small arm first. I'm gonna open it like that, okay, and I'm gonna close it so it will be at this position. The next one, I'm gonna open this one here, okay, so I open it and you can see my camera started to fall back. So the main point is we have to make the camera balance exactly like this, like exactly the lens has to be up, and as you can see it's moving a little bit. So we're gonna open this arm from here, okay, and we're gonna move front and back until we get the balance. So I moved a little bit, no, I still need more, I moved it a little bit back. Looks like we got our good balance. Let me see, maybe a little bit, just a little bit, so we can be more accurate. Yeah, it looks like fine. So look, if I move here, the camera, it's going back again to this position. So after I finish balancing again with the same arm that I opened before, this arm, I'm gonna have to close this arm, which I open to move and balance, and I have to close it. It's mean here, it's check, and it's finished, okay? The next one is when the camera will be like this, it has to be balanced. So if I leave it, it's going down, okay? So to do this, we're gonna have to open this arm, unlock it, and with this, we can rotate, and you see the camera with the base, it's moving forward. We have to move more until we feel a little bit of balance. No, not yet. We move front. Yeah, now it looks like fine. And we have to put the camera, for example, like 45 degrees, and it should hold. When you do this, it's mean you are in a good place. So I got it, I close, I lock, I check again. Yeah, it looks fine, okay? So this is again, like we can say this is the second stage, which I did. So after we finish it, I will now close this arm because I need to lock it. I need to lock the up and down. I need to lock the front and back. So because the third one now I need to do is this one. So I open it, and as you can see, when I'm opening it, when I free it, it's going like that. So I have to open this arm and I have to start balancing. So if it's moving this side, it's mean I have to push the arm the other side. No, not yet. Let's see, like that. Not yet. Too much, maybe a little bit back. You see, I move it and it's coming back to the balance. It's mean it's good to go. So again, I have to close the arm, okay, because I got my balance which I need. See, and it's going back. Wait, it's no, I need maybe a little bit of adjustment. Let's adjust it better, okay? Let's see, it's too much maybe. A little bit, just like that. Let's see. No, a little bit more. It takes time sometimes, but believe me, when you are like getting used to it, it's getting really easy. Okay, so now it's good. Now I need to close my arm, the arm, and I close it. Now I finish this one, I close it. Okay, as you see, it's not moving now. The last one, the final one that I need to adjust is this one. So I open it, and you can see now it's rotating. So this is that need to be balanced when you move the camera like that. So you have to open here, and I'm gonna start to push front. No, it's moving too much. I have to push back. Let's see, like that. Oh, it's too much moving. So okay, much better. Maybe a little bit back. Okay, looks good. So I close it, and I close this again, and everything is closed. My camera is ready. The gimbal looks like it's fine balanced. So the next, I'm gonna open my camera, okay, and I'm gonna press long time on the power button here, and you can see the gimbal unlocked everything. And I'm gonna go in the menu to this arm here, and I'm gonna press start calibrating like that, and you can see it's like vibrating and it's calibrating the camera with the gimbal. It takes around usually like 10 seconds, maybe 15 as maximum. As you can see, it's calibrating. It's written here 60%, 70%, shaking right and left, checking all the rows, all the axes, checking, 80%, 100%, gimbal calibration complete, confirm, I confirm, and you see, it looks good, it moves very good, very responsive, everything is good. If I want to put on the FPV mode, okay, let's try. Yeah, it's very smooth, it's very good. The footage looks nice, as I can see from the camera, really looks like it's perfect. Okay? So, don't be too much scary, don't stress yourself. It's really like a routine that you will get used to it, and you have to get used to it because it's like a part of the job. And when I'm finished from the gimbal, again I have to press the power button like this, and it's finished and it's locked. So that's it, guys. As I told you, it's not something difficult, it's just a matter of time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, any problem, please write me in the comment. By the way, I'm using the intelligent tracker of this amazing gimbal. It's so cool, especially if you are like me, filming by yourself and making everything by yourself. Right now, as you can see, it's tracking me. I'm trying to go right and left, but it's still tracking me, and it's so amazing, really. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.